In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Seagate drive not showing up. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, a USB drive not showing up across multiple devices usually means the file system is incompatible or the drive has lost its drive letter assignment. Now, modern TVs and phones are much stricter about file formats than PCs are. So what you want to do is right-click your start button on your PC once your drive is connected, and then go ahead and select disk management. So go ahead and find that. And if you can't find it, go over to just computer management like so, and it's going to look like this. Now, what you want to do is go to disk management from here. It's going to be connecting, and then just look for the disk that says removable and has a black bar. So in my instance, it's this T7 Touch right here. And it shows that it's online and everything. And if it doesn't have a drive letter, then what you're going to do is right click the bar right here, and then you're going to see change drive letter and paths. Go ahead and click on that, and then if all you want to do, if it doesn't have a letter, is press add right here to assign it a letter, like E, anything like that. It just needs to be assigned a letter. Then try it again. And now if the drive works on your PC but not on your phone or TV, the file system is likely the culprit. So what you want to do is format your device. So what you want to do is go over to the This PC section within your file explorer. As you can see, my T7 Touch is right here. So now all I want to do over here is right click this USB drive, and then I want to go over and go to show more options. I'm going to see a lot of options, but I'm going to see format as one of the options. Once I go over to this, all I want to choose is exFAT, and once you go ahead and do that, NFTS also works as well. And then all you're going to do is keep everything else the same. You can do a quick format, but I'd recommend doing a complete format and then press start, and then you should be good to go.